More than 225,000 children are living in poverty when housing costs are accounted for, similar to the levels of child poverty seen during the financial crisis, new research has shown. 1 in 5 children are part of families living below the poverty line, with Ireland ranking 16th out of 27 countries in the European Union in terms of its after-housing cost poverty rate for children. The rate differs little from that seen from 2007 to 2009, when the financial crisis was unfolding, and has remained largely unchanged in recent years, says the latest report from the Economic and Social Research Institute. The after-housing cost poverty rate differs from the more widely cited poverty rate as it also deducts housing costs from disposable income. The report also estimates that recent inflation has been 7% higher than the headline rate of 6.3% for the lowest income fifth of households and 5% lower than the headline rate for the highest income fifth of households. The research found inflation has been higher for lower income households as a result of light, heat and grocery costs, which make up a larger share of their total expenditure. An analysis of the link between childhood poverty and adult outcomes shows those aged 25 to 59 who grew up in poverty are 8 percentage points more likely to be in bad health and 15 percentage points more likely to be deprived compared to those who grew up in good or very good conditions. It comes as overall poverty rates have not changed significantly in the most recent year of data, with Dr. Dara Rowntree, the co-author of the report, saying the report suggests there has been no real progress in reducing levels of child poverty when housing costs are accounted for. He said it is hard to see how the government can meet its own child poverty reduction targets without major reform, for example through the introduction of a second tier of child benefit.